it's Dana. In today's video, we're going to be removing XMONDO color with the baking soda method. There is other ways, such as the vitamin C method. If you don't know what that is, I will link that up there for you. But the baking soda method definitely is more damaging, but it is quicker, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. So stay tuned. Keep in mind that this method just removes color. It doesn't do any lifting, so whatever color you started with underneath what you dyed is what you're gonna end up with. So I had platinum blonde under this, so it will go back to platinum blonde, hopefully. So for this method, you will need Dawn dish soap, or any dish soap will work. Anti-dandruff shampoo, I just bought this at Walmart. Purple shampoo, this is just the generic brand from Sally Beauty. 10 volume developer, and of course baking soda. So let's get started. So first I'm going to take about half a cup to maybe 3/4 of a cup of purple shampoo. I don't really measure, I just do it by eye. And then I'm going to take about half of that for dandruff shampoo. Again, I'm really just basing it off consistency. Just about 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Literally just like a splash of developer. I'm gonna mix this up, and then I'll add the baking soda. I'm probably gonna take about 4 tablespoons, we'll see. Well, it's pretty runny, but I'd rather have it runny than dry, so I'll just do the best I can. So I'm gonna section my hair and then work my way up from the back to the front. So as you can see here, I'm brushing on a generous amount to everything, pinching it and making sure everything gets saturated really nicely. And I'm just working in really small sections, that way I don't miss any spots. While you're watching me do the same old, here's a video of my cat, Lucifer. He had a wound on his paw, so I had to put a bandage on it, and he kept biting it off, so I had to go out and buy him a cone. And this is Nero. My cats are literally my kids. The world revolves around them. I don't know what I would do without them. Yeah, don't do that. I was talking through this whole thing, and then I decided I was just going to do a voiceover for you guys. I don't know if this is going to get the color out, honestly. This stuff stays in pretty well. Indeed it does. That was close. I should definitely start wearing goggles. I've almost went blind like 3 or 4 times already since I started this channel. People keep mentioning in the comment that their arms would get so tired, and don't get me wrong, my arms definitely do get tired. I'm gonna cover this with a bag, put a towel over it to keep the heat in it, and keep that on for about 40 to 45 minutes. Depends on, maybe 50 minutes, depends on how this is looking. So I'll see you then. I got this literally everywhere. And here's Miss Nala. I don't know if it was the way I mixed up the baking soda or if XMONDO color is just that hard to get out of your hair. But it did nothing but damage my hair. So I went ahead and did a deep conditioning treatment on my hair, and I slept with that. I actually used XMONDO's Prismatic Glow, which I will link in the description if you want to find that. But yeah, it just dried out my hair pretty much. So I'm gonna stick to what I know and do the vitamin C treatment a couple times. And if that doesn't fade it completely, because I know it probably won't get the blue out, I'll just go in with Joico Color Eraser like I did in my previous video. And yeah, then I'll have a blank canvas to do my next rainbow look. I will be changing it up a little bit, so definitely stay tuned to see that. Would I say this is a fail? I mean, it faded it just a little bit and it toned the yellow pieces, but not really so much for the color removing thing. Here's a final close-up of how it turned out. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this fail. If you want to follow me on social media, I will leave my Instagram down below as well as my nail page. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below. Hit subscribe while you're down there, and don't forget to comment. Let me know what you think and tell me if I did something wrong on this method or not. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep your heads up and have a good day. Bye.